Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have already discussed different types of unemployment, different causes of unemployment and jobless growth in detail. Today's topic is related to labor supply, labor force and workforce. Let us make a difference between all these three components. Actually, these are the key terms related to the chapter. First of all, let us start with number one, labor supply. What is meant by labor supply? Labor supply refers to the supply of labor corresponding to different wage rates. It is also related to the man day's work. Suppose that we are taking 1 day is equal to 8 hours. The number of labor can be increased or decreased, but working conditions will be same as it is. Number two, what is meant by labor force? This includes all those who are between the age group of 16 to 60 years, because less than 60 years those are children and more than 60 years those are old persons will not be included in labor force. It means labor force includes all the employed or unemployed persons. Here unemployment means who are willing to work and are satisfied with the existing wage rate, but work is not available for them. Suppose that due to structural unemployment or frictional unemployment, for the time being they are not getting employment. So here unemployment means people are willing to work and they are satisfied with the existing wage rate, and this type may be a problem of underemployment situation in the economy. Number three, what is meant by workforce? Workforce means the persons who are actually working in the economy. Who are actually working means they are such a type of persons are involved in any productive activity in the economy. In the economy, according to National Sample Survey Organization, approximately there are 40% workforce in the economy. Among them, these 40%, 70% are males and 30% are females, and 70% are in rural area. ये total from these total workforce, 70% are in rural area and 30% workforce is in urban area. Then number 4, labor force participation rate. Labor force participation rate, it means it is the ratio between labor force and total population. Number 5, what is meant by workforce participation rate? Workforce participation rate, it is the ratio between workforce and total population. This is labor force participation rate and this is workforce participation rate. Next, number 6. How we can calculate number of unemployed persons is equal to labor force minus workforce. Number 7. How workforce can be calculated? Workforce is equal to number of unemployed persons minus workforce is equal to number of unemployed persons minus labor force minus number of unemployed persons. Here we will write labor force minus number of unemployed persons. Again, I have already clear. Here number of unemployment means these persons are willing to work, but at present they are having they are underemployed or structural unemployment will be there. Number 8. What is meant by employment elasticity. Employment elasticity, actually this is related to the capability of employment of any nation. It represents the capability. It can be calculated as growth rate of employment divided by growth of GDP and multiplied by 100. So I have told already that this indicates the capability of employment of any nation. This represents through employment elasticity we can judge what is the employment capacity of any nation. Then for next, if we want to calculate the rate of unemployment, can be calculated by total number of unemployment, total number of unemployment divided by total size of labor force multiplied by 100. Number 10. What is meant by participation rate? Participation rate is equal to total number of workforce divided by total population multiplied by 100. Now suppose that we have to calculate with this formula participation rate. We can calculate any participation. Suppose that we have to calculate the participation ratio of female participation rate in the economy. Then how we can calculate it? Then total number of female workforce divided by total female population and multiplied by 100. Similarly, if we want to calculate the male participation ratio, then it can be calculated as total number of male workforce divided by total male population multiplied by 100. So in this way we can calculate the male participation rate also. So I am here writing down number 13, male participation rate. Total number of male workforce divided by total male population multiplied by 100. So you can calculate easily, is equal to total number of male workforce minus total male population multiplied by 100. So these are some key terms related to the chapter. So these are the approximately 13 key terms through which we can calculate and make comparison easily between labor supply, labor force and workforce. So that's all regarding this topic, and do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to the chapter employment and unemployment. Thank you.